A group of Ohioans want to get rid of property taxes in our state. Legally speaking, if this succeeds, it would make Ohio the only state in the country without property taxes, at least for now. The people behind this movement are proposing an amendment which would add a section to Ohio's Constitution. Their proposal reads, "No real property shall be taxed, and no law shall impose any taxes on real property." To put this more plainly, the proposed amendment would abolish taxes and prohibit any future taxes on real property, generally meaning buildings like your home, the land they sit on, and in this case, any crops growing there. So how would that impact Ohio? In Ohio, property taxes fund local government, and according to the Legislative Services Commission, as of 2020, about $2 of every $3 in property taxes collected go to school districts. Funding school districts this way is controversial, to say the least. So much so that the overwhelming reliance on property taxes to fund K-12 education was ruled unconstitutional by the Ohio Supreme Court in 1997. Since then, Ohio lawmakers have made changes to the system, but as the latest data from the Legislative Services Commission shows, property taxes are still the overwhelming source of paying for public education. So if this proposal to get rid of property taxes makes it onto the ballot and passes, then Ohio would have to figure out another way to fund its schools. As for real property taxes in general, they've been collected since Ohio became a state in 1803 and have been based on property value since 1825. Relatively speaking, according to the Ohio Department of Taxation's 2024 annual report, property taxes haven't had too many major changes in the last 222 years. Getting rid of them entirely would obviously be a big one and would make Ohio the first state to do so. It's going to be a bit of a race to earn that title, though, because at least 4 states are already actively trying to get rid of their own property taxes. This is Stephanie Haney, Legally Speaking, for 3 News.